If someone wants to send you money through Wise, you don't always need to share your bank account details, because Wise includes a feature called Wisetag, along with a QR code that allows other Wise users to send you money quickly and securely. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable your Wisetag and QR code on Wise in 2026, step by step. First, what is a Wisetag? A Wisetag is your unique Wise username. It starts with an @ symbol, followed by your name and a number, and it allows other Wise users to send you money without needing your bank details or phone number. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create and verify your Wise account. If you don't already have an account, visit the Wise website or download the Wise app. Create your account and complete the identity verification process. This is important because some Wise features require a verified account. Step 2. Open the Payments section. Once logged in, go to Payments. Then look for Payment Tools. This is where Wise places the Wisetag feature. You can also find it by tapping your profile picture or initials near the top of the screen. Step 3. Enable your Wisetag. When you open the Wisetag section, make sure it is turned on. This allows other Wise users to find you and send money to your account. If people cannot find your Wisetag, the first thing to check is whether this setting is enabled. Step 4. Generate your QR code. After opening your Wisetag, you'll see options to copy your Wisetag link, share the link, download your QR code, or display the QR code on screen. Wise automatically generates the QR code for your Wisetag. Step 5. Share your QR code. Now you can send the QR image to clients, add it to invoices, share it in messages, or display it on another screen for someone to scan. When another Wise user scans the QR code, they can send money directly using your Wisetag. Now let's talk about receiving money, because this is where many beginners get confused. The sender must also have a Wise account if they're paying through your Wisetag. Otherwise, they may need your normal bank account details instead. Now, something very important. A Wisetag does not expose your bank account information. In fact, it was specifically created so people can receive money without sharing sensitive banking details. Now, let's be honest for a second. Using a Wisetag is usually much easier than sending account numbers, especially for freelancers, remote workers, content creators, and international clients, because all they need is your QR code or @Wisetag. So to wrap this up, to enable a QR code or Wisetag on Wise in 2026, create and verify your account, open payments, go to Payment Tools. Enable your Wisetag, generate your QR code, and share it with anyone who needs to send you money. Because honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to receive payments through Wise without exposing your banking information.